In the last episode, we look at how to accept input from a user. In this episode, we'll be performing some basic arithmetic function. What we'll be doing is we'll be accepting three numbers from our user. Then we'll find the sum of those three numbers. Then we'll find the average, and then we'll print it to our console. Also, we'll be looking at a new data type called float. The float data type handles numbers. The difference with it and integer is that it allows for decimal spaces. Previously, we have been using modulus d for integer and modulus s for string. Now that we're making use of a new data type, which is float, we'll have to use modulus f as the first argument for our scanf function. Alright guys, so our program works. But if you notice inside our console where we print out our sum and the average, the value has a whole bunch of decimal place. but we don't want that. We're gonna round it off to 2 decimal places. To achieve this, inside our print statement where we have modulus f, before the f we put a full stop and then 2. If you put a 3 or a 4, that's the amount of decimal place the value will get rounded off to. But since we're gonna do 2, we'll have modulus 0.2f. Alright, so we rounded off our values to 2 decimal places. Before we finish, I would like to give a quick explanation of how the equal sign works. So when you want to assign a value to a variable, the equal sign is used for that purpose. Whatever is on the right side of the equal sign gets assigned to what's on the left side of the equal sign. If you look at where we declared sum and assign it to 0, we have sum equals 0. This means that the 0, which is on the right hand side, gets assigned to sum, which is on the left. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next.